Now, the first thing that we want to be able to do before we get in and start to work with Microsoft Excel is to see how to open the application. So that's what we are going to see over here in this video. So right now in this system, I have already installed Microsoft Excel application using my Office 365 installation option. So there are a number of ways that you can actually launch the Excel. So you can click on the Windows icon over here and browse through your navigation pane and see where Excel is located. So under E, you will find the Excel that has been installed. So you can click over here and then start the Excel application. There is one more thing that you can do for easy access is that you can right click on it and then you can pin to the start. So right now it's over here on your start area. So for example, if you want to next time click on the Windows icon, you do not have to browse through your application. You can directly go ahead and click on this Excel and open the Excel application. The other thing that you can do is also you can drag this and drop it on your desktop, and that will create a shortcut icon. So you don't even have to go into the navigation pane or search. You can directly click over here and open the Excel application. If you do not want this over here, you can just go ahead and delete that. What I will do is I can also right click on this, go to more options, and then pin on the taskbar. So as soon as I click on this, you will see that this Excel icon is now available on my taskbar. So I can click on this and then open the Excel application. And the other way is that you can type in Excel on this search bar and then open it from there. So if you just type in, it will say, it will search for that application, and here it is, and you can go ahead and click on the application to launch it. And then this will take you to the splash screen of the Excel. So this is how you launch Excel, and there are many ways that you can do that. So why don't you go ahead and try it for yourself?